pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey my loves, so guess what? You wanted another look with the Hipdot palette, so I did it using all these colors right here. I'm so excited to take you through this look, but first, where are my manners? Hi guys, it's Karen. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video, and I do hope that you will stay to hear some of the tips that I have when putting on eyeshadow and to see how I got this look. And for those of you that are returning, my gems, my babies, any one of you that is subscribed to my channel is my gem and a part of the gem squad. And I call you that because I really feel that you all are precious, and I have enjoyed so very much getting to know all of you. Okay guys, let's get into this video and then your thoughts. Okay loves, I am finishing up my brows, and then we are going to use the Hipdot palette again. You guys wanted to see a look with the browns, so of course your gem is going to give you what you want. All right, here we go. Yes, I use different colors on my brows. It's necessary. I'm using the pen we got in. I ordered that from Boxy Pop-Up, excuse me. Okay, now I need a spoolie. And where's my spoolie? Got drinks everywhere. Coffee, water. Let's comb through it. Yes. And then we are gonna get straight into those colors that we didn't use in the Hipdot palette. Are you guys excited? I had so much fun with you guys last night in my premiere. Let me show you the colors we are going to be using. It is going to be these right here. Okay, we already did an awesome look with the other colors. Now, let's get started. I'm so excited. Okay, I got my coffee. Guys, sit back, relax. I just filmed a video that helps you get rid of your pores with foundation. It's amazing. You're going to want to check that out. Okay, we are going to go in with Bedrock. I will put the colors on the screen for you, and I am using a Luxe 231 small tapered blending brush. I would use a little bit bigger of a brush, but I'm getting kind of scarce on brushes again. There's a lot of kickback. I said that the first time I used this palette. There really is a lot. So be prepared for that. You're going to have a dirty floor because you have to keep tapping and blowing away the excess on the palette. All right, OJOS. We're going to go into that color and put that in the crease. And remember to really focus on that crease, especially if you have a hooded eye. All right. Here we go. I did put concealer on my eyes today instead of using MAC Paint Pot. All right, now we're going to go into Subsurface, which is that brown. And we're going to focus on the outer corner, but in the crease, but then back here, just like this. Yes, okay, I want to use a different brush. Let's go in with this one and see how it performs. We got this brush recently too. We're going to pack on the brown right here. There we go. Make sure that your eyeshadow does not come down too far. I mean, if it does while you're doing your shadow, you can go ahead and wait till the end and fix it, but you don't want your eyes, you want them to look lifted, not pulled down. That is a pretty brown. We do have to do some blending. This is really laying down the color here. So I need a blending brush. I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill's. This here is the JH31. And I'm just going to blend this together using windshield wiper motions and circular motions. Gosh, I'm so surprised by this palette. I think it's a $30 value. Now, this might be one that I would have actually maybe, well, no, I wouldn't have bought it because I wouldn't have known how it performed until now. But yeah, I'm like, okay. It just surprises me. I also got more boxes in and Ipsy, so I'm super excited about that. Okay, so we have really taken our time to blend this eye. So what we are going to do at this point is figure out what we're going to do on the lid. And I need brushes like this for this. Okay, this is an It Cosmetics brush. This is a Jaclyn Hill brush, and this is an Eco Tools brush. The one thing that they have in similar is control. They're not flimsy. They don't flop around. And I'm constantly telling you guys that the more control the brush has, the more control you're going to have over the brush, where it's going to do what you want. Okay. I'm sorry, I need some coffee. Oh my gosh, thank you. Okay. Here is what we're going to do. When we're using shimmers, I always use setting spray because it helps them pop. We're going to go into Escape, which is this beautiful gold looking like color. And we are going to put that right here. Ooh, yes. Hello. There's no need for a cut crease because it's not a dark color that I have underneath. So it's not like I'm trying to hide that pigment to put down brand new pigment. I don't need to worry about it. This will shine right through. So now you know when you do a cut crease, when you need to hide the pigment that's gotten on the lid that you put in the crease. Okay. Woo! Now I'm going to take the other side of this brush and put some setting spray on it. And I'm going to go into Cave. I'm going to try to go into Cave. It's not picking up much on this brush. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that color. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. Very different. Like, I know you guys said that this palette reminds you of Blue Blood, and it does, but the colors really are different. And that's what draws me to this palette, is that they're different. I could find 100 blues that are similar, but I'll tell you what, with all the palettes that I have, I don't think I have colors that would quite come out just like this. Okay, now I love that. It's amazing. So what I want to do is, we've got one more shimmer left. It's called Limestone. I'm going to take this Eco Tools brush, and we are going to put it right in this. Ooh, this looks creamy. Oh my gosh, yes. And we are going to put that right here on the lid. And a little bit in the crease. Wow. I'm shining! And look how much bigger my eye looks. Isn't that crazy how it does that? Ooh. I love, 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 love. Yes. Okay. My eyes look huge. Like, seriously. Okay, so now we're going to get serious into grabbing a crease brush and doing the under eye as well as the crease here to make it a little bit darker. Okay, I do want to use black liner on my waterline. And this is the Kat Von D Cake Pencil. Okay. And if you want, you can line this with the upper. You just have to be super careful. Okay, and now let's go with, let's use this one. This is a Jaclyn Hill JH38. Okay, I had to look. We are going to put setting spray on it because we're going to take Subsurface, which is that brown matte color, and we're going to put it down here. We do not want fallout. I've already done my under eye concealer, and we want the pigment to be dark. Look at that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah. There we go again with the camera's too hot when I do this in 4K. Grr. All right. Hopefully it picked up everything and did not erase the last of what I did. I'm using Subsurface down here with setting spray on it.
Hungry.
Oh, I love it. Okay, here's what we're gonna do too though. We're gonna take Subsurface and right out here and up here.
I'm hungry.
Okay, honey, grab something. There's apples, oranges, and we're going to slide it up.
There's no more apples.
Okay, I'm doing a video, so find a snack.
I can't.
Do you see how that brings out the eye more so than this here? We still have our transition shade up top, but we are basically connecting the two here. It makes it look like the colors belong together, you know? And you can even take it all the way in if you want. It just makes a huge difference. That's why I'm saying always find detail towards the end. It makes a huge difference. A lot of people use a certain method just to put on eyeshadow. Transition shade, lid, whether it's a half cut crease or they want to do a halo eye and then they do something different underneath, and it looks nice, but there are ways to really make your eyes stand out, and that's what I'm trying to teach y'all. There's different ways of doing things. Okay. Woo! Now I need a blending brush. We'll go with the Jaclyn Hill. And we are going to make sure, this, I didn't add any color to it. I'm going to just make sure that this is good. And it looks nice. Look at my lids. Oh my gosh, I am forever loving that. Okay, look. Oh, the kickback is driving me insane. I want to put some black liner on, and I'm going to go in with the roller lash. And we're going to do it right on the lash line. Woo! Look at that. Amazing. And I have successfully used all the colors in this palette now. How cool is that? Now we could do a wing if we want to, but we definitely do not have to. I am going to do a brow bone highlight. Oh, I can't stand allergies. I want a flat brush to do this. And I'm gonna go with this one here. It's a shader brush. I would usually use this for the lid, but that's okay. We can use this. We'll just use the tip of it. We're gonna go back into Rain, which is the color we used the first time. And we're gonna pop that up here. Yeah, the color we used the first time in the first video. I did the same thing. Okay. Woo! Look at that! Alright, we're also gonna use this for the inner corner, which we're just gonna kind of stamp it in there. Do you see that? And we can pull it down and pull it. Okay guys, so what do you think of my finished look? We used all the browns. I'll go over it. We went in with this one, then this one, then we went on the lid with this, this, and this towards the back. I love it. A nice neutral kind of look with a pop of shimmer right there. And now I need your comments. Would you put them down below? Tell me what you think. Tell me if you are excited to get this palette and what kind of look you're going to do with it. And then I just want to take the time to thank you. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this video. I do appreciate every single one of you. I cannot stress that enough. Every morning when I read my comments, you all make me smile. So thank you for doing that. Thanks again for joining me for this video. I love you all, and I will see you real soon in another one. Bye.
Let's